Here's the truth. You probably won't make $1 million this year. The people who do follow the same 5-stage sequence, and this is the whole path. $1 million a year is $2,740 a day. So stage 1, build a skill companies pay premium rates for, like AI automation. Stage 2, stop selling hours and package that skill into one fixed price offer businesses buy on repeat. 20 clients at $50,000 each is the whole $1 million. Stage 3 is sales. One outbound channel for revenue now, one content engine that compounds over time. Then raise your prices, because doubling price, using cheap AI tools to replace entire teams. And stage 5 is people, where you document each process, hire help, and delegate everything except selling and steering. Will you hit $1 million in 12 months? No one can promise that. But run this sequence hard, and next year you will be dangerous. So subscribe.